I'm gonna show you 7 different iPhone tricks that I think you're gonna find really useful. The first option is right inside of your camera app. Go ahead and open up the camera app here, and there's an extra settings that is hidden. So if you're on photos, if you slide up a little bit, you get this whole menu. And what this menu lets you do, it lets you actually turn on or off live photos. It lets you change the exposure. So if something is darker or lighter, you could go ahead and adjust it here. It lets you set a timer, 3-second or 10-second. And it also lets you add filters here before you take your picture. The next option is an easy ability to sign any photo. Open the camera app here and put your document right here. Make sure live photo is actually turned off. I'm gonna turn off live photo. And with that document in front of you, just take a picture of it and go ahead and click over here to open up that picture. And now, let's say this is your document. You could actually sign this. Go ahead and press edit right here. And then there's an option to mark it up. Press that right on top. Then on this page, go ahead and choose a pen right here. So I'll just choose this pen, for example. You can make it a little bit sharper here. And you could change the color of it too. So I'm gonna choose black here. And then you could go ahead and sign right here. So you would sign your name right here, and that would be your signature. Now all you have to do is press done, and it will save that document as soon as you press done on this page, and it's saved to your camera. The next one is a super easy way to share your location. Go to the map app here, the map app that comes with your phone. Press and hold down on it, and it lets you share your location, send my location from right here. So press that, and just like that, it will pull up your location, and you could text it or email it to anybody. Now, if your phone is dying, this option lets you lower your power consumption. There's 2 ways to do it. One way is you could just slide down here and turn on this option that a lot of people don't know about, but this preserves your battery life. It's called low power mode over here. You could turn it on and off at any time, and you could turn on airplane icon and make sure you charge your phone. This will charge your phone much faster. The next option gives you an extra button on your iPhone. Basically, it turns this whole surface on the back into a button that you could double click or triple click, and it will activate different things. Let me show you how to activate it. Go to the settings app of the phone here, and then you want to scroll down and get to accessibility. Click on that. And here there's an option that says touch. Click on touch, and then scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and there's an option that's called back tap. Click on that, and you could go ahead and turn on double tap and triple tap. So if you turn on double tap, for example, you could choose any of these options. Ton of options available. So let's say you want to bring up your flashlight on a double tap. So now let me exit. Now if I double tap here, my flashlight gets turned on just like that. And if I double tap again, it will turn off just like that. The next tip is also related to flashlight. So you could also activate your flashlight from here. You could turn on and off from here, but you could actually change the power. So if you press and hold, it lets you make the flashlight brighter this way. So if the flashlight is not bright enough for you, you could actually use this setting to make it darker or brighter here. And there's a way to hide an entire page on your phone. All you have to do is press and hold in a blank section on your phone, then press this slider bar right here, and it brings up all the pages on your phone, and you could just hide one of the pages just like this. You can bring it back at any time. Just press done. Now if I go to the next page, that page is gone. It's disappeared from view. Anytime I decide to bring it back, I could press and hold and press this again, and then press that check mark on the couple of pages that I have hidden, and it will bring them right back. Let me know in the comments how many of those you didn't know about. Hopefully some of them were new to you. Thanks so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.